Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you very interesting topic, that is where are my all sync contacts of my mobile. So basically when you reset your mobile, your half of your contacts gets lost when you try to sync with new mobile. So what's the important topic over here? You log in with your Gmail ID and all the contacts are synced with your Gmail ID. So when you synced with other mobiles, there are lots of confusing in duplicate contacts. Half of the contacts are there. So basically, where you have to find the contacts is go to your Gmail ID. Okay, this is my Google ID. I'll go to right corner side and I'll click manage your Google account, and you will be seeing on the left side there are options over here. You have to go to people and sharing. See, and when I'm clicking my people and sharing, you can see over here contacts information. There are 3400 contacts saved here, and you will be seeing in your mobile half of your contacts, or or few more. So basically what you have to do, you have to click on the contacts and you have to see these are all my numbers. So basically what you have to do, you have to save these contacts. Okay, so how you could save, see in the left side you will see export button over here. Click export contacts and export, and there you will see all your contacts are being saved in this contact.csv. So basically you have to install this in your mobile and you'll get all your